easy go.
Yep, so that concludes the 2 3/4 inch challenge, guys. Today we were using number 2s and number 4s. Number 2s and number 4s on the 2 3/4 inch challenge. Did alright. I can't say I wounded any or sold any, so I'm happy with that. Grab up all my mess. Double, 1 bullet, 2 birds. Fucker. Buzzed hard. Look at all those fuckers coming right in at me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come down to me, baby. Come down to me. Come down to me. Well, my bad, guys. I didn't get this one on tape. He just kind of snuck in on me and landed. So I stood up and he went to fly away and I shot him. Ooh, another green-winged drake. It's been a hell of a day for shooting drakes today. Damn, look at that blood coming out of him. Let's go ahead and talk about one of the big arguments with people. I'm probably going to get a few comments on this, but I'm a strong believer that you don't need a billion decoys. As you can see, I'm only running, I think, 9 of them today. 7, 9. And I do okay. It's usually about what I run. Also, I use fishing string a lot on a bunch of my decoys. Helps them sway in the wind a little bit better, I think. But like I said, that's what I do. Usually always try to bring out my jerk rig. And that's what the rest of my decoys are connected to, is my jerk rig. See, I run 2 decoys, I run a spreader, then I run another decoy. As you can see, it's a little bit different than what everybody else is probably used to running, but that works great for me. Hey guys, what's up? This is Mac. Just want to come at you and let you know what I take to the refuge with me. Of course, I got my gun, the Winchester SXP. Got a couple sticks. You might see my mojos on them, pretty high. These are aluminum. I got them at Orchard. They weigh like 4 ounces a piece. They help me get my mojo up pretty good. Got my backpack I keep my mojos in. I like to keep the heads covered. I lost the sock for this one. Store everything separately. Take the batteries out so that you don't ruin them. And then I usually bring about anywhere from 6 to 12 decoys. Today I'm running 9 decoys. Did okay though. Got 6 teals.